Survey. It is a good practice for the teachers to find out which is the favorite genre of the students, even when they are in the school or in a college. The teachers can do a survey in order to find out the choice of the students and then work on that particular genre. For example, they can ask the students in the survey which is more popular genre of literature amongst the students, whether it is poetry, short story or novel. This feedback on this survey would help the teachers to understand the needs of the students in the school. When talking to the college students, the teachers may ask them which of the genre they enjoyed the most when they were in the school. This exercise would be helpful for the teachers to prepare exercises accordingly. If they find that the students found the novel to be the best or the most interesting one while they were in the school, then the teachers can include paragraphs and essay paragraphs from the novel or the story. If they think the students enjoyed poetry, then the teachers can add more poetry to the syllabus. It is not very common in countries like Pakistan to give the liberty to the teachers to include syllabus of their own. But in order to develop language in the classroom, it is appreciated if the teachers are allowed to do some part of the syllabus themselves according to the needs and requirement of the students. For this purpose, it is a practice in the West that the teachers are encouraged to do surveys and accordingly form the syllabus or some part of the syllabus in order to improve and work on the English language skills. Since the students in the survey would let the teacher know what is the part of the curriculum that they like the most. For example, if the students like poetry, they would answer that they like to read poetry, they like to analyze the sections from the poetry, also they like to make a recitation of the poem, and also they like the rhythm of the poem. So the teacher can work accordingly according to the needs of the students. It is very important for us to base our curriculum on the needs of our students. And the needs we can only find out if we talk to them about their requirement. When we totally push our students to follow the curriculum, which is based on the meetings and the opinions of the higher level people, sometimes we are not giving the right to our students to develop a curriculum of their own choice. So at least some percentage of the curriculum should be based on the choice of the students. And the teacher should do a survey in the class, or maybe if she doesn't want to do it in her class, she can do it with some external students and find out, because they would be able to specify that at that particular age, which is the choice they would like to look at. Sometimes it is seen that the novel is actually in the syllabus, but it is never read in the class. So there is no point to do the novel then in the syllabus. But if the students think they would like to do the novel, then the teacher has to make an effort to make them read the novel. The teacher has to divide it in a way that some parts are done in the class and then the students are given for reading the novel at home with some questions, so that it is seen that the students are really reading the novel. So in that case, the teacher has to give them a questionnaire on the part that they are going to do at home. In addition to that, the teacher may give them some areas to work on, like a character or a scene or a situation on which they need to reflect when they come to the class next day.